beautiful morning. It's the last day of the second season here in Iowa, 2012. I'm with my dad, John McCarty, and Chris Thrash. We got the Thrasher right here. This is Chris's invention that he's been working on for the last couple years. He's got his prototype. He brought it up from Kansas, and he let me operate that thing this morning. Showed me how last night at the motel, and it helped my dad shoot a great bird here in Iowa. It's a nice big mature tom, 1 1/8 inch spur with 10-inch beard. Probably weighs 23, 24 pounds. The old Thrasher, he brought him right in. We drove him out here along this cow pasture, and it was just more than this old gobbler could take. I don't think I've heard a gobbler in a long time gobble double, triple, quadruple gobble in the tree like this one did. And Thrasher Innovations scored again. Chris was out in Kansas last week. They hunted for 2.5 days, killed 10 birds. This thing is an incredible piece of work. And what do you want to say about it, Chris?
Well, I appreciate it. Like I said, I appreciate you giving me the chance to bring it up here. And it's been in the works. Like I say, it's a prototype, but I've been impressed with it. And like I said, again, thank you for letting me bring it up here and enjoying the morning with you guys.
Yep. Well, hopefully we can get some more film with it. It's fun to run, boy. I tell you, it'll go anywhere. It'll kind of go sideways, different things. This grass is right here where we had to drive it out. I mean, you can see how tall it is right here and everything where we had to drive him out. And it was a little bit difficult, but this is a prototype. There's a few changes that are going to be made. This thing is going to be bad to the bone, and it proved it again this morning. And my dad, John, did a little beak busting for the turkey reapers. So
yeah, thanks guys, appreciate it.
Let's get a tag on him and go get some breakfast.
All right.
Got Kansas and Iowa. Yeah.
Well, Floyd, good job, buddy.
Thanks. Yeah.
Chris.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll tell you what a bird. These suckers have some ropes on them.
Yeah, those were nice birds.
We got Floyd a tag. He's an Iowa resident here. It's the last day of second season. Get in here. Let's talk about this bad boy.
Yep.
We come out here to a good buddy's farm out here in Iowa, and we kind of a last minute deal. Chris come up from Kansas. He brought the Thrasher, the old Thrasher Innovations. That's his new invention, patent pending. Working with a lot of different companies, and it proves to work quite well, guys. We had about 6 toms out here in the field behind us, and 3 of them broke off, and they come right in. It happened so quick, we didn't even have time hardly to get set up. Floyd scores on a giant Iowa Eastern, and he's been down in Kansas hunting the last couple days. Got him a couple birds down there, and
Thanks to the Thrasher.
We haven't been out for more than, this is our first set. We haven't been out more than, it took longer to walk down here than it did to kill the bird. Chris's invention, we kind of named it this morning the Thrasher, and it goes quite well with whatever type of decoy you want to put on top of it. And it proved once again with the old B-Mobile with the realistic fan it's more than these old jokers can resist. When you bring another tom into their area, they just want to come in and tune it up, and that's exactly what happened. I mean, he come in, jumped on this thing, and the rest was history. I mean, he jumped on it, he kind of got freaked out a little bit by it, but he moved over, and Floyd was able to put a killing shot on him out there about 30 yards. I didn't have him zoomed in all the way, but I did have the bird jumping on the decoy, and that's pretty cool, you know. I mean,
he was still interested in it even after he left.
One thing about the Thrasher is we were able to sneak up on top of this dike, levee, whatever you want to call it, terrace, and we were able to put the decoy out without having to get out to the edge of the field or jeopardize getting seen. He was able to just drive the, you know, the decoy right down off the dike, and this bird come right in and
couldn't handle it.
He flogged him good. I think one of the other ones seen me. We had the sun shining right in on us, but this joker here, he come right in to beat him up, and the other two kind of hung up a little bit, but the rest is history. Floyd hammered him.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's that little item right there. It does it.
We'll have to check out the footage, but this is a lot of fun. You know, it goes well with the turkey reaping. Chris called me. He ran into a friend of ours down in Kansas, and he called me and asked if he could come up and show us his invention. And I'm sure glad that he come up, and him and his dad and Floyd. And it's been a great experience. We actually took my father out this morning at 6:10. We had a bird. 6:15. We had a bird on the ground, and once again the Thrasher. It's nothing but strictly business. So thrashing them with Thrasher's innovations.
What do you say, busting beaks?
Busting beaks.
Busting beaks,
little turkey tomahawking. I mean, it's too bad all three of them didn't come in and attack it, but this joker here, he jumped on him, hit him so hard, it just totally upset him. And you know, when that happens, they kind of get a little jiggy. And but
here he is.
Proof's in the pudding right here, boys.